Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put music in Instagram Notes. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you simply need to search for the Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open and then you simply need to click on this messenger icon in the top right and then you need to click on this plus icon and here you can see the option of music. Click on that and you can select any music. Okay, you can select from here. Okay, so I selected this part. Then you need to click on this tick mark and then you need to click on share on the top right. So this is the process by which you can put music on Instagram Notes. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.